We've been following GameStop all morning. As you know, the stock paring some of the gains after we reported that Melvin Capital now telling us that it has closed out its short position. This story of GameStop's wild ride, just the latest example of retail investor participation in the markets reaching new heights and euphoria in some cases. The CEO and co-founder of Robinhood, Vlad Tenev, writing an op-ed for CNBC.com out this morning. It's titled, "Becoming an Investor is the New American Dream, just like home ownership was before." He writes, quote, "For people in my native Bulgaria, managing money was a simple proposition with just two options, keeping savings in the state bank or stashing it in under the mattress." In a conversation that I had with him yesterday, I started out by asking him how his upbringing affected him and his decision to create this company.
After the fall of the Berlin Wall and communism, there was a period of economic stability leading up to hyperinflation in the mid-90s. So, I saw my relatives' pensions get decimated. And, part of what is so powerful about the financial system is had people been given the ability to invest in a wide variety of assets, then there are options that are reasonable. And so I think I really came to value how powerful the American financial system is and has been as a wealth creation tool. And that really motivated our mission, which is to give everyone access to the financial system and make it available to as many people as possible.
And we've talked a lot about your efforts to democratize investing for an entire generation, really for the first time. But I want to ask you in particular about this quote in the op-ed. You say, "Those who question the capability of retail investors do not have the interests of everyday Americans at heart." You write it's wrong. It's wrong to view the arrival of increasing numbers of retail investors in the market with dismay. There is a considerable amount of dismay at this moment within the marketplace, if you will, in part about this younger generation of investors and whether they have the wherewithal and the knowledge to properly be investing. What do you say to that?
Well, I would say two things. First of all, of course, we believe in education and that people should be informed. And in fact, we've made lots of progress and very significant updates. Just last week, we announced a revamped Robinhood Learn portal, which aims to take people from being first-time investors and teaching them basic concepts all the way through to more advanced concepts around investing. So obviously, I think education is going to be something that we're going to continue to invest in, and tools to make sure we really enable first-time investors to become long-term investors. But the other thing I would mention is that, I have an opportunity to talk to Robinhood customers, and one of the things I enjoy doing is sitting in on customer research, which is a big part of our product development. And there's a lot of times where we hear this feedback that Robinhood is one of the first products and companies that treats people like they're adults and meets them where they are. So many times you hear, and we've heard our customers saying that, other financial institutions or advisors are trying to sell me products, trying to tell me that I shouldn't be investing my own money and that I should leave that to the experts. And Robinhood is the first company that's actually treating me like an adult and giving me and meeting me where I'm at in my investing journey and giving me the tools to empower myself to manage my finances. So we hear that a lot. And I think that resonates with us and the mission very strongly. Of course, we need education, but I think this idea that all retail investors are unsophisticated, they shouldn't be managing their money, and they should leave that to the experts or institutions is a notion that we just have to move past.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.